You're very strong, I'll give you that. But
wait,
deadlifts...
Can we get that on the camera?
I said you're very strong.
Well, this is something a little bit different from me. I'm out of the studio and I'm in the gym today. Well, it's actually a room in my house I've turned into a makeshift little home gym. I don't have a space for a ton of different equipment and I do struggle to get motivated. So this could be the solution. I am unboxing, by myself I might add, the new Speediance Gym Monster. Gym Monster 2 in fact, which has a few refinements, and it's an all-in-one smart home gym. So I'm going to walk you through what the heck this is and why you actually might want one for your home. But the first thing I want to mention is how genuinely easy this was to unbox and set up. The whole thing weighs around 80 kilograms or so, less than me. So while you may need a friend, I managed to tip up the box, walk it out, and thanks to some very helpful little wheels, you can move it anywhere you like. And it comes essentially assembled right out of the box. It definitely gets points for ease of setup. So place it wherever you like and then unlock and lay down the base, which has a nice squeegee mat on top. Plug it in and press the on button, that always helps. Then it's just a case of signing up to Speediance, which you can do on the screen or on your phone with the app. Pop in a few details about yourself, your height, weight, a rough fitness goal, and away you go. So the idea is, with one machine, you can do strength training, HIIT workouts, rowing, yoga, skiing, boxing, cardio, and either you can have a free lift and just play around and work to your own routine, or you can stream one of their guided workouts, which I actually find much more motivating when it's just me in here to follow along. And because the barbells and the handles have Bluetooth built in, it actually can count your reps and also show you a whole bunch of stats during and post workout.
There we go. Really squeeze that chest up, everybody. Beautiful job.
Things I do to make a video. And all this is completely free. Unlike most home gym smart solutions, you buy an expensive piece of equipment and then you have to pay an expensive monthly subscription. When you buy one of these, it's just one cost for the whole unit and then you don't have to pay anything ever again. You get a free lifetime subscription. And the thing is, this isn't going to replace the gym that I go to once a week or so, and also my personal trainer, Shosh, who I'm going to bring in a second. But this is kind of like a supplement. If I can't make it to the gym, I haven't got time, or I want to cancel my membership for some reason, this I have at home. And so on a rainy, dark day, which is pretty much every day here in the UK, I can come in here, turn that on, and in a couple of minutes, I'm doing a workout so I feel better about myself. Now, let's not get carried away. I am not a lifestyle fitness influencer creator. I'm definitely not good looking enough for that, but I do know the tech, so let's talk about the specs. And there's 6 things you need to know. And the first question everyone's going to ask is, where are the weights? Well, there aren't any. The Gym Monster uses magnets, magnetic resistance. We've got 800-watt magnetic motors in here that give you up to 100 kilograms or 220 pounds of resistive weight, which you can adjust in increments of just half a kilo or a pound. The second thing is the size, because the overall footprint of the Gym Monster is just under a square meter, but folded up, it drops to about a third of that. In fact, let me just take this off the tripod and, well, you're gonna see the behind the scenes right now of my recording, but I actually bought this treadmill last year, and I bought it specifically because it folds up, but it is still absolutely massive, and I couldn't get away with having that in my living room or in my bedroom. This thing, because this thing weighs around 80 kilograms or so, you could put it upstairs in your bedroom, and there's also no chance of accidentally dropping a heavy dumbbell on your floor because, well, there aren't any, it's magnets. Number 3, the screen, because you get a 21.5-inch 1080p touchscreen that's also articulating. You can angle it down if you're working on the bench. And with this newer Gym Monster 2 model, we have this pretty impressive sounding speaker underneath to pump out your favorite workout tunes, which can play in the background while you're watching the workout. Number 4, stats, all the stats, because this tracks your workouts, your reps, your calories burned, and it gives you post-workout analytics, and you can see all your progress, your gains, if you will.
Had enough?
And number 5, have you heard of VBT, or velocity-based training? If the AI coach detects that your workout's maybe a little bit easy based on your movement speed, then it can actually adjust your working weight for the next set. So it will kind of encourage you, like a personal trainer might, to go up and challenge yourself in the next round. What I also really like about the Gym Monster, and is difficult to replicate at a regular gym, is these 4 smart modes. Now you've got eccentric and chain, which can gradually increase the weight when you pull or retract the tension rope to help gain greater endurance and enhance that explosive power. And then we've also got standard mode and constant mode. Standard is great for beginners, while constant is great for rehabilitation training. And you've also got assist modes, where the machine can give you a bit of a helping hand to protect you from injury when it recognizes you can't complete the training. And finally, number 6, there is just so much to play around with, from all the different workouts, whether you're squatting, rowing, bench presses, or kickbacks, or skiing, or boxing. And of course, you've got all the accessories and some very nifty features like partner mode if you've got a workout buddy.
Bring your hips back with a neutral spine.
So as you can hear, some of the workouts have a voiceover. I mean, there's still a lady here who's showing me the movement so I can sort of replicate her form. Whereas some of the videos do have the trainer and their voice being captured as they recorded this, which I think is a little bit more engaging than the VO workouts, the voiceover workouts, but it just gives you more options.
We're warming up the chest.
I should be warming up. So far so good then, but I am not a professional gym going person, so I figured we should find out what someone thinks of this who actually knows what they're talking about. So I've invited my friend and personal trainer, Shosh. Come on in, Shosh.
Hello, hello.
To have a look at it.
Wow.
This is the, she's never seen this before, and you do work at an actual gym.
In a physical gym.
In a physical, real gym. So this is the Speediance Gym Monster. And it's like an all-in-one multi-tool of smart home gym, which you can fold up to make it like this thick, so you can have it wherever you want.
Nice.
It's got wheels at the back, so you can actually tilt it and sort of drive it around.
I'll play around.
She's straight in there.
Sorry.
She's straight in there.
I'm too excited to get going. So it works as similar to like a cable pulley system.
Yes.
That you would have in the gym, just the height and.
Yeah.
How does the resistance on it work?
I knew you were gonna
like
ask
where
that.
is the weight loaded?
Magnets. Magnetic resistance.
Okay.
So
I've never heard of that before. How does that work?
So it's plugged in. Let's just jump into a solo free lift. And then I'm gonna turn off the music for licensing reasons.
Fancy.
So if I turn this on, you're now gonna feel the resistance kick in.
And it's 16. Oh,
kilograms.
I felt it.
Right?
Very nice.
So what I can then do, if you want to
Smooth as
put
well.
it back. So why don't you step on
Okay.
for a second? Let me switch around with you. Let's have a go of it.
Okay. So it tells you whether you're pulling evenly. And did you say that it counts my reps?
Yes.
So you push this in.
Yep. I think you
Take
got
it off.
That's it.
And it slots in sideways.
That's it. That's
Nice. So we've got a bit of a bent over row going on.
Bent
Looks
over
really
row.
good. Nice. Definitely too light for you though.
Thank you. I'm glad you mentioned that. Which brings me to what I think is actually the best bit. This also comes with this little guy.
Okay.
It's a Bluetooth ring control. Either adjust the weight or even turn the weight on and off
With
remotely.
Smart.
So let's have a
Very
go.
efficient. So you
So
don't
I've-
even have to put your weights down. And then you feel it set on. And we've got the full resistance there. Nice. Does it have like a safety setting where you could accidentally change it if you were hitting yourself here?
You can't change the weight while it's engaged.
It feels really smooth as well. I like the movement. It's not jumpy at all throughout the cable tie. Some of the cables that you'll get in the gyms can feel quite jumpy.
Yep.
Whereas it's got a really nice, clean movement with it.
Nice. So welcome back, Tech Chat. I've been working hard. So you've got daily workouts you can go for, programs you can join that sort of a number of times a week over a number of weeks. It's pretty cool, and you know what the best bit is? I keep saying what the best bit is.
Tell me.
It's free. I mean, this isn't free. You have to pay a good amount of money for this, but you get lifetime
subscription.
membership of the subscription, which otherwise you would normally pay for.
Mm-hmm.
But if you buy the machine, then you get that for free for life. So you can have these sessions, you can have the personalized tracking. There's like an AI coach thing. I've put in my body stats.
Mm-hmm.
My BMI is, I think, technically overweight. Well, we don't need to focus. We don't need to focus on that too much.
Minor detail.
It's because of muscle mass, and you know that's a thing.
What would be an example of a workout if you were to come in here and, I don't know, you chose chest day or something?
Chest day. Let's do it. So it's telling you, she's going to walk us through the motions. Mm-hmm. This is the overview of it. This is what the equipment we'll need.
Does all of this kit come with it that is listed?
Yes. It's over there.
Oh, amazing.
So
Nice.
all this stuff on the floor, all these accessories, there are a few different models of the Gym Monster. This one is the Works Plus, basically the Works, which also gives you the Bluetooth ring. There's a family model which comes with the rowing machine. So this is the adjustable bench.
I feel like I'm pulling the whole... Oh, okay. So you can get upright as well.
Yeah.
take these handle attachments off.
Yep. Press the little button on the side of the ball. That's it.
Neat. Nice.
That's literally it.
I like that. Thank you.
And then
Easier than a carabiner clip.
I do love a
They're
carabiner.
flapping around. Thank you.
We're not ready.
Wait.
Perfect.
So try put it in.
Yep.
Do I need to push the silver part in again?
Yes.
Yep. Nice.
Immediately you can do some curls, whatever you like.
Lovely. What about a barbell back squat? We're gonna bring it up
Yep.
to the shoulders and then straight up over the head and then placing it down on your back. Nice, slightly wider grip. Nice seat brace, sinking it down into a squat, finding that seat behind you.
I need some weight on it though. I'm terrible at
It's
squatting.
too
like that.
easy.
Well, if I go to
Maybe some different shoes as well.
Oh, you always hate my shoes. It's not the shoes, it's me. And there's a spotter mode.
Okay.
So if you're on a rep and you can't get back up there, which never happens to me.
Ever. It makes the weight easier so you can actually
Yes.
get the rep finished and
Less
you're not
resistance.
just stuck drowning underneath the bar.
Yes.
Amazing.
Get a bit of a view of it.
You can see it whilst you're led down and follow
Yes.
some. Okay, so now it's on. Oh, you can definitely feel that.
There is a little bit of lateral movement in it as
A little
well.
bit.
A little wobbly, isn't it?
I think it's I mean, it's quite cool because normally you would do a barbell bench press with like bands on the end of the bar, and then you'd add weights onto it to take away some stability or make it more uneven.
Yes.
So it's testing in the sense of stability. It definitely doesn't feel the exact same as a normal barbell bench press though. Yeah.
So why don't we put this up? What should we, roles are reversed. What should we go up to?
Try.
Now at the gym, this takes Shosh about 10 minutes to take all the weights off, get the new weights on.
Much quicker. Okay. Okay, you can definitely feel that. Still feels really shaky, but that could just be me.
It's also much more engaging to do a home gym with a video to watch.
Virtual, yeah. Someone to follow along to.
Right? And pull up. Right there. Good, slow, and controlled.
Very nice. Deep brace, belly button in towards your spine. Good.
Woo!
I think it's pretty cool. I like the coaching cues. I like that it records your rest time and it takes you through it step by step. I think that we should have a deadlift challenge. See who can lift the heaviest. 100 kg.
So this is the maximum weight of the machine, 100 kilograms.
Shoulders tucked back. I would probably start from the top. It's a little bit easier to just control the weight down. Remember, you're hinging back through the hips. Stop just kind of midpoint of the shin. Dust the hips forward on your way up.
Okay.
Deep brace.
Ooh.
Ooh. Nice, hips forward. Slight squat hybrid again. Make sure that you're hinging back through the hips and thrust the hips forward. Nice. Keep the shoulders back. Lats locked in. Good. Very nice.
There we go.
Easy work.
Do you want me to show you how you do it?
Can you coach me?
3, 2, 1. Give it a second. Okay, you're gonna fully feel it.
Wow.
Watch your knees. Very good. Push, push.
Feels heavier than 100.
All the way, last one, pull the top.
Like you can feel that you can rock with it.
Yeah.
Whereas a free weight bar, you kind of, once you're set in the middle, it feels fine.
Yeah.
But I do think it is a really great piece of kit to put in a gym, especially if you're limited on space. As you said earlier, it's really cumbersome having that many weights splayed around the gym, whereas with this, you've got it all in one space.
Thanks, Shosh.
I liked it. Thanks for having me.
Whoosh. And for a home gym, having this much variety in a machine this small, I absolutely love this thing. But what do you think? Could you see yourself using something like this? Let me know what you make of the Gym Monster in the comments below, and also I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time, probably back in the studio right here on the Tech Chat.